How to fix 0x8004e4f1, your OneDrive has not been set up error. 1. Basic tips. Wait for a while. Check Microsoft server status. Try the OneDrive web version. Turn off firewall or antivirus temporarily. Uninstall then reinstall the MS Office 365 App 2. Clear credential cache by a credential manager. 3. Unlink OneDrive from PC and relink. 3.1 Click on Unlink this PC in your OneDrive settings. 3.2 Go to the admin. .microsoft.com. Page, expand users active users OneDrive tab select user hit the create link to files option. 4. Relink the user's UPN using PowerShell. Commands include set execution policy remote signed install module name exchange online management force import module exchange online management connect exchange online set missilisor principal name user principal name old email address new user principal name new email address 5. Create a new user account in your system. 6. Reset OneDrive. 7. Contact office support. 8. Reinstall OneDrive.